Today, we are going to be getting into this bathroom cabinet. It has not been organized since 2020. Well, it is time to clean it out again. 3 years later, we're gonna see what's going on in this cabinet. I did purchase containers to contain all of my belongings, and it's worked out really, really well. So we just need to go through, declutter, and clean up what we have in there. Let's do it. To get us started off, let's take a look at this first shelf. So I organized over here our fingernail clips, our eyebrow dye, Band-Aids, lint rollers. I think over here we have tanning. On our second shelf is where we keep our fingernail products, toilet paper. Up above, I have backstock up here. And what does it say up there? Oh, random items. Definitely. Way up top is where I keep extra travel supplies and who knows what else. Let's start here with this first one. All right, my husband's shaving cream. 1, 2, 3. 3 bottles of shaving cream. Oh, wait, there's 4. There are 4 shaving creams. We do not need 4 shaving creams. Beard balm, he doesn't even have a beard anymore. In this container, I think we could probably get rid of everything. Does shaving cream even have an expiration date? I don't even know. So I just went through that first container, got rid of 3 shaving cream containers and some shaving balm that I don't even think my husband realizes in there. So I don't even think he's gonna miss it. Okay, shelf number 1, cleaned out, cleaned off. I'll be putting all the products back really soon. All right, let's go ahead and grab some of these products, get them out of the way. Oh, this is gonna be, that's gonna be tough. Let's go through these objects, see what we need and what we don't need. Lots of deodorant. I feel like we could contain this better, the deodorant. This is part of my back stock. So I'm just gonna put all the deodorant in here. We, wow, have amassed a lot of deodorant. Extra sprays. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this for back stock in our back stock pile. Again, like, why do we have so many Vaselines? I don't understand. I do like to keep toothbrushes on the hand if we have guests, or if my kids come home from college and they forget their toothbrush. Extra toothpaste is always good. So here we are with the 4th shelf. This is where I keep all of my travel soaps, lotions, everything like that. And I don't think, again, that I need so many. So this is the carrying case that I take on vacations. So that stays. Here's an extra one. I probably think I can get rid of this. It's gonna go with trash, extra containers. So sometimes when I travel, maybe like you, I put things in baggies so they won't leak. But how much of this do I really need? Extra container, extra container, extra container. Do I need this many containers? I, again, don't think I do. How many of you keep little random soaps? Do you keep them? Let me know. Or do you just throw them away when you're done? Or do you combine them? What's your process? One of the last products I am dealing with is lice products. So my children are basically grown, nearly out of the house, but I still have a container of lice products. Now, God bless you to all the moms out there who have to deal with lice at some point with their young children. But this box expired in 2016. That's how long it has been since I've had to deal with lice. So I think it does not belong on my shelves anymore, but rather in the garbage. It's time to say goodbye. And for the win, we are getting rid of all of this, except for the cat. That'll stay. Oh my goodness, look at this space now. Can you believe the difference, the before and after? There is so much space, and that just makes my mind feel so much more decluttered. And I always know that getting these home projects done make my mind feel so much better. They make me feel so much more relaxed, and I hope that it does the same for you, even if it's a small project. So please join me again. Let me know what you thought. Let me know what else you'd like to see decluttered. I'll see you soon.